Is Aisha jewelry legit in 2026? Let's clear up the confusion, because if you search Aisha jewelry, you'll find lots of options, and not all of them are created equal. First up, Aisha's Charms, the Dubai-based brand. This one's the real deal. You'll find them in luxury malls like Galleria Mall DXB and Yas Mall AD. Their bezel marquees and crescent collections get glowing reviews, and yes, they're on the pricier side, but you get what you pay for. So, if you're buying from their official site or physical locations, you're safe. Next, let's talk about Aisha Gems and Jewelers in Sri Lanka. This place is a hotspot for tourists, especially if you're into custom jewelry or blue sapphires. Plenty of people walk away happy, and sometimes there's stones of praise for even more back home. But it's not all sparkle. Some visitors report getting silver rings that tarnished almost immediately, and there's a pattern of confusion over currency at checkout. My advice? Double-check your stones, ask questions, and always pay with a credit card for extra protection. Now, here's the big red flag. Have you seen those Aisha jewelry ads on Facebook or Instagram promising 80% off in a closing down sale? Run the other way. In 2026, scam reports are off the charts for these. They use fake photos, usually sweet older couples, to tug at your heartstrings, but what you actually get is cheap plastic or glass shipped from overseas. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. So, bottom line, Aisha's Charms, 100% legit. Aisha Gems, mixed. Proceed with caution. Random social media ads, total scam.